What if I told you that 10 minutes a day doing something you learned as a baby could help reduce back pain, improve balance, strengthen your legs, and free your spine after 50? No gym, no stretching, no medicine, just one simple movement: crawling. And if you're over 50, this may be one of the most important videos you ever watch. Welcome to Senior Health Forever, the channel dedicated to helping you stay strong, mobile, and independent at any age. If you are tired of waking up with a stiff back, if turning your body feels painful, if you worry about falling, losing strength, or losing independence, this video is for you. The real problem is the truth no one tells us as we get older. Your pain is not only about age, it's not only about weak muscles, and it's not always about your spine being damaged. Most of the time, your body has simply forgotten how to move. Years of sitting, chairs, sofas, cars, phones, screens. Slowly, your spine becomes stiff, your hips stop rotating, your shoulders compensate, and pain becomes normal. But pain was never supposed to be normal. The question is, why crawling is so powerful? Crawling is not an exercise. Crawling is a movement pattern. It forces your spine to gently rotate, your shoulders to stabilize, your hips to coordinate, your core to support your body. Every step connects your right arm to your left leg and your left arm to your right leg. This is how humans were designed to move: before chairs, before screens, before pain. What happens when you stop moving this way? When your spine stops moving segment by segment, turning becomes painful. Balance becomes weaker. Getting up from the floor becomes difficult. Even simple daily tasks feel risky. Many seniors think this is just aging, but it's not. It's lost movement. Day 1. How to start this. It is safe for seniors. Let's make this simple and safe. Get down on the floor. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips, spine neutral. Just hold this position for 30 seconds. That's it. If your wrists hurt, make fists. If your knees hurt, place a cushion. If your back sags, gently tighten your core. You are not weak. You are relearning. How to crawl. It is very important. Now, slowly begin to crawl forward. Right hand with left knee. Left hand with right knee. Slow, controlled, no rushing. Your goal is 10 minutes total per day. You can break it up, 1 minute at a time, 2 minutes at a time. Consistency matters more than speed. Warning: what most people feel. By day 3 or 4, many people feel wrist soreness, shoulder discomfort, feeling awkward or silly. This is exactly where most people quit, and that's the mistake. This discomfort is not injury. It's your nervous system waking up. Your brain is reconnecting movement patterns that have been asleep for decades. This is healing, not harm. Now I tell you common mistakes that slow results. Don't rush. Don't collapse your shoulders. Don't let your lower back sag. Move slowly. Stay controlled. Quality over speed. Your spine responds to awareness, not force. In week 1, the change begins. By the end of the first week, crawling feels smoother, balance improves, shoulders feel more stable, your spine begins to rotate naturally. You may feel muscles waking up in places you forgot existed. That's a very good sign. In weeks 2 to 4, your spine starts moving again. Now something powerful happens. Instead of moving like one stiff block, your spine starts moving segment by segment. You can slowly add backward crawling, side crawling, gentle circular crawling. Still, only 10 minutes a day. You're not working out, you're restoring freedom. After 30 to 60 days, crawling feels natural. Balance improves. Getting up from the floor is easier. Movements feel smooth and confident. Your spine moves the way it was designed to move. This is not just about crawling. This is about freedom. When your spine moves well, walking improves, balance improves, falls become less likely, independence lasts longer. You can play with grandchildren. You can move without fear. You can trust your body again. If your spine doesn't move well, everything suffers. It doesn't matter how strong you think you are. It doesn't matter how flexible you think you are. A stiff spine is one wrong movement away from injury. But the good news, you can start today. Your final challenge is 60 days, 10 minutes a day. Start simple, move slowly, stay consistent. Your spine can feel younger again. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe to Senior Health Forever, and share this with someone over 50 who needs it. Remember, movement is medicine, and your healing starts on the floor. I'll see you in the next video.